Hey everyone! Awesome Disney Toys here, and I hope you guys love Mickey Mouse as much as I do, because today I'm bringing you a Mickey Mouse Clubhouse set. This one's called Mickey's Mouska Dozer. That's a pretty funny name. Ooh, I love that all the accessories have little Mickey ears on them. Oh, and Mickey feet. That's a nice touch. Here's the back of the box. Oh cool, it actually makes noises too. I can't wait to use that excavator. It's shaped like Mickey's hand. I hope Mickey knows how to drive one of these. Alright, let's get started. So the bottom of the box has a little tab that we're going to be using to take the machine out. It's a little hard to open. Let's cut off these ties. Whoa, that one went flying. Last one. And it should just come right out. There we go. Let's get all these accessories out too. Everything's just falling out. Okay, we got everything. That was a lot of work, but I'm sure it'll be worth it. Alrighty, here's Mickey. He looks like he's ready for a big hug. And here's a construction sign. I love that it has little Mickey feet on it. And here's a roadblock. We don't want people accidentally walking into a construction zone. That could be pretty dangerous. Oh, and how cute are these? Little Mickey cones. I love the little ears. It comes with 1, 2, and 3 of them. And cool, here's a boulder. A pretty light one, but still a boulder. Now let's take a closer look at this machine. Let's see what happens when you raise this up. Oh, it makes noises. I bet this toy would be super fun in a sandbox. Ooh, the little chair moves around. And here's the excavator. I think it's super cool. It's shaped like Mickey's hand. And it moves side to side. We can put Mickey in the sitting position. This way he'll fit in his chair. And there he is. Hi, Mickey. All right, let's start the workday. But before we start, safety first. Let's put the roadblock so nobody runs into us. And of course, a construction sign so they know we're working. And then we'll finish it off with some cones. Nice! That looks good. Now we can get to working. Our first job is to clear some of these jelly beans. We'll just pick some of these up. And then we'll turn it around. This job can get a little messy. Whoa, a boulder fell from off the mountain. We'll use our excavator to grab it. There we go. And then we'll slowly turn it around. Job well done, Mickey. That took a lot of skills. Uh-oh, I think I hear some cars coming. And they're coming in hot. Whoa, it's Lightning McQueen and Ramon. I'll let you handle this, Mickey. They can't come over here. It could be dangerous. Hey guys, you can't come over here. This is a construction zone. It's very dangerous. Didn't you guys see the sign? You're just gonna have to go around. This is for your own safety. Woo! Good job, Mickey. That was a close one. They could have got really hurt. All right, Mickey, back to work. Mickey's whistling while he works. Whoa, did you hear that? I think it's a mooing noise. No, now it kind of sounds like a sheep. Oh man, a cow and a sheep are about to cross our paths. Whoa, they just got through the roadblock. Stop them, Mickey! Guys! Back it up! This roadblock is here for a reason! Mickey, I think you're gonna have to herd them somewhere else. Back it up! Woo! Nice job, Mickey! I think I'm done for the day. I'm gonna have to agree. Minnie's waiting for me at home. I gotta run. Let's get out of here. This set was so much fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to see more. Thanks.
Also, if you haven't done so already, be sure to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. The links are in the description box below.